You know what you just did? No, you don't, so I gotta tell you. You just walked through a fire door, and that fire door right there was built in 1917. If you look right there on that wall, right behind there, it's stamped in the cement, 1917. Did they have fires underground? Sure they did. Remember, they had candles. Miners that get careless, kick a candle over, or maybe he's taking a nap and it burns down into some sawdust. Well, they'd just come in, shut them steel doors, bring in a fire crew, and snuff it out. Now then, this system right here, this is called a single setup. Two men that put this post up where they want it, put this bar where they need it, pick this machine up and set it up here. This machine weighs right at 280 pounds. The good thing about it is, it runs with air. It has water going through it. It swivels. I can drill a hole there, and a hole there. Loosen that up, bring it around, drill 3 more. The only bad thing about this machine is, it uses a steel bit. Now it's a Timken bit. Timken bits are still made in Los Angeles and Denver, Colorado, and it unscrews. And folks, if I thought I was going to try to drill 25 to 26 holes into this wall behind me, better bring about 40 of those bits. That rock right behind me will hammer this bit down like a mushroom. Folks, that's hard rock. Now then, this machine here came underground before me. It left before me. I'm so glad I never got to run it. This machine runs on air only. There is no water going through this machine. It'll run. And if I start drilling a hole into that wall right there, I can guarantee you in about 15 minutes I'll fill this whole room with a white dust powder. One of us might just have a sinus problem. One of us might just get started into emphysema. Miners had a name for this old machine. They called it the Widowmaker. You run it very long, you could be gone. Now this next little machine right here, it's a Cadillac. No, it's not. It's a Gardner Denver jackleg. And it weighs right at about 165 pounds. The good thing about this machine is it runs with air, has water going through it, and it has a leg that does all of the pushing. If I'm drilling that hole right there, throw that throttle forward, adjust that air pressure, and stand just like this and drill what is called a 7-foot hole. Now this machine is very fast. It's very loud. I still say, a lot, especially around the house. But sometimes I have to. It uses a different kind of steel. It uses a square piece of steel, but it's got a tungsten carbide bit. I can drill 40 holes before I knock that bit off and put another one on. How fast is this machine? I can take this machine and this piece of steel, and I can drive it all the way into that wall in 5 to 7 minutes. Oh. That's a machine. All machines have problems. Yes, it runs with air. It's got water going through it. It's got a leg that does all of the pushing. Let's say me and my partner are drilling somewhere, and up walks a new man, and he'll say, I want to be a miner. Teach me how to drill. Show me where the holes go. I want to learn how to blast. And you know what we'd tell him? Have at it. Well, he'd run over here, jump on that machine, and throw that throttle forward. Folks, the minute that man put his leg on the other side of this leg, you reached out, you got a hold of him, and pulled him away from it. This leg will extend 8 feet. It's also got over 150 pounds of air pressure in it. If it breaks loose from the ground right there, all of them instantaneously popped up this high first and then went to the 8 feet. You see this handle right there? That handle right there will make a bad man sing soprano in the church choir. You're going to be calling him Squeaky for about 2 weeks. Come on, I'm going to show you how we blasted it.